Hey there YouTube, what's up? Sen here. And so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a skirting board. And so for those of you who don't know what it is, this is what a skirting board looks like. Kind of the point of me showing you guys, and this is another example of a skirting board as well, kind of the point of me showing you guys how to do this is that I kind of wanted to just show off some other ways of modeling that a lot of people don't really know about. Especially when they're starting out, there's a lot of different options for doing modeling, and I just kind of wanted to highlight one, which is going to be orthographic loft nerve based modeling. And so that's kind of a mouthful, but basically what that means is that orthographic is kind of, if you imagine you were looking head on at this, then this would be, if you were looking down, if you turned this 90 degrees and you were looking at it directly side on, that would be an orthographic view of the side of it. If you flipped it completely around, it'd be the orthographic back view, and then the head on would be the orthographic front view. And so the idea today that we're going to be doing is, if you keep in mind the idea of what the silhouette from the side of this image would be, so kind of like this shape here, and I'm going to show you that in Cinema 4D. So we're going to go for this front canvas here. For those of you who don't know how to get there, basically what you do is when you have your scene open, you're just going to want to click in the top right corner of the viewport, and then you can click in the top right corner of this viewport to bring this to full screen. And we're just going to draw out that profile. So go to there, go to there, and then maybe go here, and then here. Drag that out, and then go there, and I'm just going to cut this to pieces a little bit, and do that. Okay, so there we go. So this is now our kind of orthographic side view sort of thing. I'm actually just going to grab these 2 points, bring them in a bit, because I think they went a little bit too far out, but yes, this is kind of like our orthographic, same with this one actually. No, maybe actually that was better here. But this is going to be like our orthographic side view here. So that is, in this image again, it's like this side shape. And the reason that that's important is that when I go back to the perspective mode now, you can see we now have that silhouette. And from there, what we can do is we can go back to object mode over here, because it automatically takes you to point mode when you're dealing with the pen tool. Hold Control and drag, and then you can make a clone of that spline. And then what you can do with that is you can use what's called a loft NURB, which is found in the same place you find your subdivision surfaces. If you're an older version of the Cinema 4D, like R13, then you'll find it under your Hyper NURBS tab. And then you'll find loft. And now what you do is drop both of these under the loft NURB, and there we go. We have a skirting board. This one looks kind of weird. It looks a little bit too wide sort of thing, but yeah, there you go. There's to be fair, I did make this really quickly, but yeah, if I throw everything else that I had back in the scene here and then kind of render this out, you can see that's what it would look like against a wall as a skirting board. And so with loft NURBS, you can make this bigger, because this is the same shape. You can make this bigger by just dragging out one of the things that way, and then now you have a really long section of skirting board. And yeah, that's just kind of how you make a skirting board really quickly inside Cinema 4D. So hopefully this was a useful video. If it was, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I really appreciate subscribing, just because the new YouTube guidelines means that I'm probably going to lose, well, potentially lose the ability to upload videos longer than 10 minutes once they switch over the creators program. So I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. And yeah, I guess I'll hopefully catch you guys next video.